How many times do you focus on the main part of your meal and the side dish becomes an afterthought? This recipe will change that. They're roasted potato bites, and they take about 2 minutes to prep, but they're a real crowd pleaser. So let's make a batch. So you're gonna just dump them into the bowl. And from there, I add olive oil, Montreal steak seasoning, and some smoked paprika and regular paprika. And then you're just gonna stir them to evenly coat. Once you have them evenly coated, you're gonna turn them out onto a baking sheet. Spread them out, and they're ready to go. I roast them at 425. And I should mention, if you have larger potatoes, you can still use them and cut them into bite-sized pieces. They'll still taste great. Put the cut side down and give them about 20 minutes, give or take, depending on oven and the exact size of your potato. You're going to want to check with the tip of a sharp knife, and it should go right into the potato. So in they go. So that's it. These are finished. They took about 20 minutes in my oven. They are small, so if your potatoes are a little larger, they might take a few minutes more. You want that knife just to poke right in. And this recipe is great with burgers, steak, chicken, seafood. It's really versatile. My family likes to eat them right off their tray. They're great when they're hot, and I think you're really gonna love them.